All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is part 2 of Foldable number 5. And what we have here now is the equation P equals 2W plus 2L relates to perimeter, or relates perimeter P in dimensions, length, and width. What is W in terms of P and L? So we know L is going to be in terms of or length is going to be in terms of the L, and width, W is going to be in terms of width. So for this one, we have our first our given, which is our P is equal to 2W plus 2L. That's our given. And it's asking what is our W in terms of P and L. So we're just basically solving for W. So easy enough. First thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract everything away from this as possible. So the 2L is there, so we're going to subtract 2L to both sides using the subtraction property. See? Okay. So when we do that, we have P minus 2L is equal to 2W, and then 2L minus 2L subtracts to 0, so we're done with that part. And then we're going to go ahead and divide each side by W. Oh, sorry. We don't want to get rid of W, we want to get rid of the 2. So we're going to divide each side by 2. Where'd my pencil go? There it goes. And then we have, this is just going to stay like that. So we have P minus 2L divided by 2. I know these, you feel like these can divide, but this cannot. So you cannot divide both unless there's a common, because you'd have to do opposite distribution to take out a number to factor out, and then be able to divide it by 2. But there's no 2 or multiple of 2 on this side, so you can't divide it. So we just leave it. But there is one here. So there's 2 and 2 divide to 1, so it's equal to W. And then we're going to use our symmetric property again. So this was our, where'd that pen go? Division property. And then we're going to go ahead and use our symmetric property, which will say that this is also the same as W is equal to perimeter minus 2 times the length divided by 2. And this is our symmetric property. Okay. So now we can go ahead and just write our statement. So this is equal to this. So therefore, comma, W is equal to perimeter minus 2 times L, which is our length, over 2, is W in terms of P and L.